Hi, today we're going to talk about Echinacea, in this case Echinacea purpurea, or purple cone flower is one of the common names, but it's the most well-known Echinacea. It has really stiff um, stamens, pistils. I guess they're the pistils actually, but this is really, it's not soft at all. This is really hard, quite colorful. This is one of the most nice ornamentals, and it smells kind of like orange blossom. So I really like to smell these Echinacea purpurea. There's quite a few different Echinaceas. I think there's like 10 species or so. Some are stronger, some have yellow flowers, there's more reddish, whitish. But at any rate, different bits of flower. I've grown about 4 different kinds, but this is the easiest kind to grow, the most robust generally, and probably the most well-known Echinaceas for the medicine. Angustifolia is actually, we would say that we know it's superior, and there's a lot of it in the trade, but this one is probably the dominant one in the herbal trade. You can see this is a splendid bush. This is a 3rd-year plant from a little tiny root cutting. And so now the root's really going to be big down there. And what we're doing for on this is we're cutting this and drying the flower, leaf, stem quite a ways down. So we're going to actually cut this, we're going to cut this off about halfway up, or even halfway down, or maybe even a little bit further, and then the whole thing will regrow. So we take the whole top, we dry it, and then we mill that, and then that's what we sell. And we also sell root. But this is strong antiviral. People know that. It's just one of the most used herbs in the United States. Has a great reputation for sicknesses and helping get over sicknesses, not getting sick. It's easy to grow. Like I mentioned, this is the easiest of the Echinaceas in my limited experience, and one of the fastest to grow and put on weight, so to speak. Angustifolia, which I've grown, we generally don't harvest that till 4 or 5 years down the line for the root. Whereas this here, every part is medicinal. The roots is the strongest, and the flowers are sold separately, and the seed heads are also used medicinally. So you have seed heads, you have flowers, you have the whole aerial plant, and you have the root. The whole thing has medicinal properties, the root being the strongest. So Echinacea purpurea, purple cone flower, salute you out there, and you can all grow this as well. Thanks for coming to our farm.